Did you know that 50% of new aluminum is created from recycled aluminum? And that also by recycling one kind of aluminum, you can help save energy enough to run a television set for 3 hours. My name is Sergio Gonzalez, and I volunteered at Ecology Action of Texas, more specifically working in Austin Recycling Center that is located in downtown Austin. And my purpose here is to try and help you decide to recycle more, or at least let us help you recycle more. I really appreciate you holding your presence until the end of the presentation. Ecology Action is a nonprofit organization based here in Austin that was founded in 1970 with the purpose of promoting a variety of environmental issues, most notably recycling, obviously. And their mission is to educate people and empower them to create a healthier environment through waste prevention and accessibility to recycling. Their mission is to create a healthier environment, as I mentioned, through recovery operations such as brownfield renovation and zero waste initiatives. I would like to talk to you about the recycling center, but I think it's more important to talk about one of their projects, which is the brownfield renovation. A brownfield is a piece of land that was used for industrial purposes, but now it's usually contaminated. And I want to talk to you about this because their vision is to create a world where no landfills are required. And to fulfill these goals, they recently purchased a 10-acre piece of land in Montopolis in East Austin that since the 1960s was a waste dump where they will take pieces like their debris, and it is now part of the Ecology Action's plans towards fulfilling their mission of creating a world where no landfills are required. And recycling is one of the most difficult ways to recycle, but it's also the most imperative because it's the most helpful, because it helps create a healthier environment towards the future. This project is called the Circle Acres. Basically, what they're trying to renovate this piece of land to fulfill their goal. They're not trying to renovate this land because for the reason that they want people just to use it and have a resource to go to, but they also want to help aid this piece of land to remember, and while constantly reminding people how hazardous and dangerous they are to land and the environment. Circle Acres, this project marked the beginning of Ecology Action, and this is just a small piece of their vision towards the future and future plans, which is purchasing more pieces of land towards helping this environment. And what I basically did, I did mostly paperwork and try to and help people put all their items they took to recycle, where to put them, and help them do that. But still, I want to talk to you about this because I think it's the most imperative way that they are trying to help the ecology. If you refer to your handout, you can see that since 1940 how the piece of land has been changing until the 1980s. And what they're trying to make us, basically there's 3 different types of ecologies. There's forest, wetland, and grassland. And this is their vision towards the near future of Ecology Action of Texas. And I want to encourage you all to volunteer, not to volunteer, but maybe help us recycle. Maybe not in the brownfield project, but just by bringing your stuff to Austin Recycling Center that is located in 9th Street and I-35. Because with your help, we can make a bigger impact to the environment, not only in Austin, but in Texas. There's around 20,000 jobs here in Texas that are directly involved with recycling. So it's a big part of the economy here. Also, Texas uses around $1 billion towards waste dump services, and with your help, we can help reduce the amount of money they use for this, and help it, maybe allocate it somewhere else. And so please consider volunteering for Austin Recycling Center or Ecology Action of Texas, and help us, or at least help you recycle, because it leaves a great satisfaction knowing that you're doing a benefit for yourself and for the community in the near future.